Meaning of Greta Garbo.
Greta Garbo.
Greta Garbo.
Greta Garbo.
Greta Garbo. Greta Garbo refers to the famous Swedish actress Greta Garbo, 1905 to 1990, known for her iconic performances in films such as Anna Christie and Camille. Garbo was a reclusive figure who shunned the spotlight, earning her the nickname, the Garbo Mystique. Her enigmatic persona and powerful performances made her an enduring cultural icon of the 20th century. In summary, Greta Garbo signifies a legendary actress whose legacy continues to inspire and captivate audiences worldwide.